I'm not a great cook, but I love to cook. Every day, I make my own food at home, and it makes me very happy. So let me tell you about it. My food is always very simple. I don't make big or fancy meals. I just make easy food. Food that I can cook fast. In the morning, I make eggs. I fried 2 eggs in a pan. I add a little salt. Then I eat them with bread. It's simple, but it's good. For lunch, I often make rice. I cook rice with some vegetables. Sometimes I add chicken. Sometimes I add an egg. It's warm, and it fills me up. In the evening, I like soup. I put water in a pot. I add vegetables and a little salt. Then I wait for it to cook. The smell fills my kitchen, and it makes me feel warm inside. I cook almost every day. I have a small kitchen. It's not big, but it's enough. I have a pan, a pot, and a few plates. I don't need much. Now let me tell you why I love it. Cooking at home is cheap. Food from a restaurant costs a lot, but food at home costs very little. So I save money every week. Cooking is also good for my health. I know what is in my food. I use fresh vegetables. I don't use too much oil or salt. So my simple food is healthy food. But there is a better reason. I just love the feeling. I love the smell of fresh food. I love the sound of cooking in the pan. It's warm, it's calm, and it feels like home. When I cook, I forget my problems. I think only about the food. It's a quiet, happy time for me. A small break in a busy day. Sometimes I cook for my friends. They come to my home. We eat together, and we talk. The food is simple, but the night is special. Good food brings people close. Now, let me give you a small idea. If you are new to cooking, start easy. Don't try a hard meal on day 1. Just fry an egg, cook some rice, make a simple soup. Start small, and enjoy it. And here is a little tip. Cook the same easy meal a few times. Each time, you get a little better. Soon, it becomes easy. And cooking becomes fun, not scary. You don't need to be a chef. You don't need fancy food. You just need simple food, made with care. That is more than enough. So that is my story about cooking. Simple food, made at home, with love. It saves me money. It keeps me healthy. And it makes me happy every day. If you're learning English with me, thank you. This is Slow English Listening. And I make a new video for you every day. So please subscribe to the channel. It's free, and it really helps me. And if you enjoyed this, watch my story about the food I love next. We'll talk again soon, in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.